Welcome to Best 5 Picks. The Best Hatch power cord is probably one of the most essential accessories for your hatch device, ensuring uninterrupted operation and optimal performance. And today we're diving deep into what makes a replacement cord truly stand out, helping you make an informed decision to keep your hatch running smoothly without missing a beat. Number 5. Camco Power Grip RV Mini Replacement Plug. Introducing the Camco Power Grip RV Mini Replacement Plug. It's designed to easily attach a 30-amp plug to your existing RV extension cord. Its compact design allows for easy storage inside your camper's cable hatch. This means you can close the door securely during travel without any parts sticking out. This plug is rated for 125 volts and 3,750 watts, ensuring reliable power delivery for your RV needs. The patented power grip handle makes plugging and unplugging simple and safe. It provides a secure grip, preventing strain and potential damage. Installation is straightforward with detailed instructions included. You can easily wire it onto your existing 30-amp RV extension cord. The smaller size ensures it fits completely inside your cable hatch. This provides a neat and secure storage solution when not in use. Thanks to the power grip handle, unplugging your RV power cord is now easier than ever. Enjoy a more convenient experience. What we like. This replacement plug features an ergonomic power grip handle, making it incredibly easy to plug and unplug your RV's 30-amp cord. Its compact design allows it to store completely inside your cable hatch, keeping your RV tidy. If you're looking for a hassle-free and user-friendly replacement for your RV's 30-amp plug, especially if you struggle with tight spaces or have difficulty gripping, this is the one for you. What people say. Easy to install and the fit is really good. Fixed the grounding problem that I was having on my travel trailer. It is color-coded, so it's easy to connect it. It is rock solid and well made. It crimps the cable so it won't put stress on the connectors. Usual first-rate Camco quality. This one gives enough grip for me to get it out of a tight plug, but there is another version with a larger handle. Number 4. X-Haibei RV Trailer Camper Electric Power Cord Hatch. Introducing the X-Haibei RV Trailer Camper Electric Power Cord Cable Hatch. This round hatch is designed to fit a 2 to 3/4-inch diameter hole, providing a sleek black finish. With specific dimensions of a 2 to 3/4-inch hole diameter and a 1 to 3/4-inch depth, it ensures a snug fit. The overall diameter is 414 inches and the length is 2 inches. It accepts cables up to 3/4-inch in diameter. Please note that it is not designed to accommodate 50-amp plugs. It's important to verify your cable size and plug size before making a purchase to ensure it meets your specific needs. This power cord hatch offers a durable and functional solution for your RV's electrical connections, keeping them protected and organized. What we like. This round cable hatch is designed to fit a 2 to 3/4-inch diameter hole, offering a sleek black finish for your RV. It's ideal for accepting cables up to 3/4-inch in diameter, but please note it will not accept 50-amp plugs. If you have a smaller RV or trailer and need a compact, discreet hatch for your 30-amp cord, this is a great option. What people say. This hatch makes a great floor hatch to bring in electric cords to heat and charge my mobility scooter's 2 batteries during the winter. You will need to purchase a 2 to 3/4 keyhole saw as pictured. I bought this not for an RV, but for passing hoses and electrical cords through an outside garage door. It's a bit cheaply made, flimsy-ish plastic, but I think it will hold up just fine. The OD of the port is exactly 2 3/4, so using a 2 3/4 hole saw required some additional filing to get it to fit. The right-sized hole saw would be 2 7/8. Replaced the original cord hatch with this on my Toyota motorhome. Fit well, but needed to remove the inside tabs as the plug is too bulky to just push through the stiff plastic tabs. Was easy enough to install and remove the tabs with heavy-duty scissors. Number 3. Valterra White Electric Power Cord Hatch. This hatch is built with UV-stabilized plastic for long-lasting durability. Its heavy-duty construction ensures it can withstand the elements. Specifically designed for RVs, this accessory provides a secure and convenient way to manage your power cord. It's a perfect fit for your outdoor adventures. Never worry about compatibility again. This hatch is designed to accept standard 30-amp cords, making setup a breeze. With a 4 to 1/4-inch diameter, this hatch offers a sleek and compact solution. It requires a 3-inch cutout, ensuring a neat installation. Installation is straightforward thanks to its design dimensions. Enjoy a clean and functional power cord solution for your RV. What we like. Constructed with UV-stabilized, heavy-duty plastic, this round cable hatch is built to last and withstand the elements. It requires a 3-inch cutout and is designed to accept 30-amp cords. If you're looking for a durable and reliable cable access point for your RV that can handle a 30-amp connection and maintain its appearance over time, this Valterra hatch is a solid choice. What people say. This new one fit like a glove and really makes that area look so much better. This part was an exact replacement, even down to the position of the screw holes. The little door slides just to expose cord area when one is there so still can close. Nice feature. Number 2. RV Camper Power Cord Hatch, White. Introducing our premium power cord hatch, designed for your RV, camper, or motorhome. It provides secure and convenient access for your electrical cords. Crafted for durability, this hatch is also vermin-resistant, ensuring your RV's interior stays protected. It's built to withstand the elements. This versatile door is engineered to accommodate both 30-amp and 50-amp cords with ease. You'll have no trouble connecting your power supply. With precise dimensions, installation is straightforward. The cutout measures 312 inches, and the outside diameter is 518 inches. Finished in a clean white, it seamlessly blends with your RV's exterior. Keep your power connections tidy and protected. Perfect for a wide range of recreational vehicles, including trailers, fifth wheels, and campers. It's an essential accessory for any RVer. What we like. This RV power cord hatch offers a vermin-resistant opening and can accommodate both 30-amp and 50-amp cords, making it a versatile choice. With an outside diameter of 518 inches and a cutout of 312 inches, it provides ample space for your electrical connections. If you need a robust and adaptable cable access door that can handle higher amperage and keep pests out, this white hatch is a practical solution. What people say. Now the cord goes through the port and the door is shut and its gasket keeps the gases out and in winter keeps the cold air out as well. I installed this power cord port in a window vent beside my AC exhaust. I run 2 cords through it, could fit more, it's sturdy and does the job. The old one we had all the fingers inside that hold the cord dry rotted off. Make sure you take your measurements, but this fits our 09 clipper perfectly. Number 1. PWR AC Cable Replacement Power Cord. Introducing a high-quality 2-prong AC power cord. It's designed to be extra long, providing 6 feet of reach for your convenience. This versatile cord is compatible with a wide range of devices. It's perfect for TVs, monitors, printers, game consoles, and many other electronics. Rest assured, this power cord is UL, RoHS, and NSPT 2 certified. It has been rigorously tested and approved for your safety. Built with 18 AWG wire and rated for 90 degrees Celsius and 300 V, this cord is designed for durability and reliable performance. As a WA, USA-based company, we offer friendly customer support. Enjoy peace of mind with our 30-day refund and 12-month exchange warranty. What we like. This 6-foot, 2-prong AC power cord offers extra length and broad compatibility with a wide range of devices, from TVs and monitors to printers and game consoles. It features a figure 8C7 connector and a NEMA 1-15P plug, and is UL listed for safety. If you need a replacement power cord for electronics that use a 2-prong connection and require a bit more reach than standard cords, this is an excellent and safe option. What people say. Fit well into my USB charge block and worked perfectly. It was exactly what I ordered and fit perfectly. Also a very quick delivery. Perfect replacement. The power cord fit perfectly and works just like the original. Great quality and reliable performance. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.